So let's do some crochet. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make the basic crochet stitches. So first of all, I'm going to show you the materials that you need: your hook, your yarn, and your hands. So let's get started. Let's get into it. First of all, you have to make the foundation chains by starting like this. This is for basic learners, people that don't know how to crochet at all. So you put this here, then use this hand to grab the yarn, then you wrap the yarn around your hand, then you get started like this, just like this. Then you draw this end to tighten it to secure the end, then you just keep going like this. I'm going to be chaining 10, which is serving as my foundation chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So this is the back and this is the front. So let's start the basic stitches. To start with single crochet, we'll chain 1, go into this last chain. So this is how to make single crochet. It's as easy as that. You're just going in once, just go in once, grab your yarn once and pull out once. That's why it's called single crochet. Just like that, just like that, just like that. This and this way. So this is called the single crochet stitch. To make the double, you chain 1 2, you turn your work. This particular one, you are going to grab the yarn, then you go into the space. You are going to have 3 loops in your hook, then you pull out 2, remaining another 2, then you pull out 2. That's why it's called double crochet. It's as easy as that. Just keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. It's as easy as that. It's very easy. It's called the basic stitches. You count to be sure that you are maintaining the number of chains you make, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we are going to treble crochet stitch. You chain 1 2 and 3, you turn your work. This time around you're going to be grabbing 1, grab 2, then you go into the space. Those first 3 you did is going to serve as a stitch. Just as easy as that. 1 2, you go into the space, 1 2 and 3, just like that. Is as simple as that. 1 2 and 3, 1 2 and 3. It's called treble crochet stitch. 1 2 3. You use this stitch when you don't want to waste time because it increases very fast. So just like that, and you are done. So this is the end of this treble crochet stitch. So this is how it looks.